Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, English Worried.
Hi, friends. We're so happy you're here.
I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul.
Today is a very special lesson.
Yes! Today we learn how to talk about yourself in English.
This is very important.
When you meet new people, you introduce yourself.
You say your name, you say where you're from, you say what you do.
Don't worry, it's easy. We'll practice together.
So please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
Let's start learning. Are you ready?
Let's go.
Saying your name. Okay, Paul. Let's start simple.
Yes. First, we learn how to say your name.
This is the most important thing.
When you meet someone new, you say, "Hi, my name is..."
Let me show you. Hi, my name is Emily.
Perfect. Now me. Hi, my name is Paul.
See? Very easy.
You can also say, "Hello, I'm..."
Yes. Hello, I'm Emily.
"Hello, I'm Paul."
Both are correct. My name is Emily, or I'm Emily.
Now let's practice together.
Repeat after me. Ready?
Say it slowly with us.
Hi, my name is...
Good. Now say your name. Say it out loud.
Don't be shy. Practice speaking.
You can also say, "Hello, I'm..."
Try it. Say, hello, I'm... and then your name.
Great job, everyone.
Now there's another way.
Yes, you can say, "Nice to meet you, I'm..."
Listen, nice to meet you. I'm Emily.
Nice to meet you. I'm Paul.
This is very polite and friendly.
Repeat after us. Nice to meet you, I'm...
Excellent. You're doing great.
Saying where you're from. Now we learn the next part.
After you say your name, you can say where you're from.
Where you're from means your country or your city.
Let me show you. I'm from the United States.
Good. I'm from Canada.
We use I'm from and then the country name.
Listen again. I'm from Canada.
I'm from the United States.
Now you try. Repeat. I'm from...
Say your country. For example, I'm from Brazil.
or I'm from Japan.
Or I'm from Mexico.
Everyone, say it. I'm from... and your country.
Very good.
You can also say your city.
Yes, I'm from New York.
I'm from Toronto.
So you can say, I'm from Japan, I'm from Tokyo.
Or I'm from Brazil. I'm from Sao Paulo.
Both are good.
Let's practice the full introduction now.
Listen carefully. Hi, my name is Emily. I'm from the United States.
Perfect. Now me. Hello, I'm Paul. I'm from Canada.
See? Name first, then country.
Now you try. Say your name and your country.
Repeat after us. Hi, my name is... I'm from...
Go ahead. Practice speaking.
Write it in the comments too. We want to know.
Yes. Right. Hi, my name is... I'm from...
We love reading your comments, saying your age.
Okay, next part.
Sometimes people ask, how old are you?
This means, what is your age?
You don't have to say your age. It's optional.
Optional means you can choose. You can say it or not say it.
But let's learn how.
We say, I'm years old.
For example, I'm 28 years old.
I'm 32 years old.
Easy, right?
The important words are I'm and years old.
Listen again. I'm 28 years old.
I'm 32 years old.
Now you try. I'm years old.
Say your age. Practice.
Remember, you don't have to say this.
But it's good to know.
Saying what you do.
Now, this is very useful.
People often ask, what do you do?
This means, what is your job?
You answer, I'm a... or I work as a...
Let me give examples. I'm a teacher.
I'm a doctor.
He's a student.
She's an engineer.
See the pattern? I'm a plus the job.
Listen to more examples.
I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I'm a nurse.
I'm a driver. I'm a chef. I'm an artist.
Now you try. I'm a...
Say your job. For example, I'm a teacher.
or I'm a student.
Very good.
You can also say, I work as a...
For example, I work as a teacher.
I work as an engineer.
Both are correct. I'm a teacher or I work as a teacher.
Now, what if you're a student?
Good question. Students can say, I'm a student.
Or you can say, I study English.
For example, I'm a student. I study medicine.
I'm a student. I study engineering.
Perfect.
Let's practice. Say, or I work as a...
Say it out loud. Don't be shy. Putting it all together.
Okay, everyone. Now, we practice everything together.
This is the full introduction.
Listen to me first. Ready?
Go ahead, Paul.
Hi, my name is Paul. I'm from Canada. I'm from Toronto. I'm 32 years old. I'm a teacher. Nice to meet you.
Hi, my name is Paul. I'm from Canada. I'm from Toronto. I'm 32 years old. I'm a teacher. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Now you, Emily.
Okay. Hello, I'm Emily. I'm from the United States. I'm from New York. I'm 28 years old. I'm a teacher. Nice to meet you.
Excellent, Emily.
See, everyone? This is how you introduce yourself.
Name, country, city, age, job.
You don't have to say everything. You can say just some parts. For example, hi, I'm Paul. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher. That's perfect too.
Now, let's practice together.
Repeat after us step by step.
Ready? Hi, my name is,
Your turn. Say your name.
Good. Next, I'm from,
Say your country.
Great. Next, or I work as a,
Say your job.
Excellent. Now say everything together.
Your full introduction. Go. Take your time. Speak slowly. Very good, everyone. Asking someone else.
Now we learn how to ask someone.
Yes. When you meet someone, you can ask questions.
The first question is, what's your name?
This means, tell me your name.
Listen, what's your name?
You can also say, what is your name?
Both are the same. What's is short for what is.
Let's practice. Paul, ask me.
Okay. Emily, what's your name?
My name is Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. See? Easy. Now, the second question. Where are you from?
This asks about someone's country.
Emily, where are you from?
I'm from the United States. How about you?
I'm from Canada.
Perfect.
You can also say, how about you?
This means, and you? What about you?
This means, and you? What about you?
The third question. What do you do?
This asks about someone's job.
Paul, what do you do?
I'm a teacher. What do you do?
I'm a teacher too.
Nice.
Let's practice all the questions.
Repeat after me. What's your name?
Good. Next. Where are you from?
Great. Next. What do you do?
Excellent.
Now imagine you're meeting someone new.
Ask these questions. Practice. Example conversation.
Okay, everyone. Now we show you a full conversation.
Listen carefully. This is a real example.
I'll be person A. Emily will be person B.
Let's start.
Hi, my name is Paul. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, Emily?
I'm from the United States. I'm from New York. How about you?
I'm from Canada. I'm from Toronto.
Oh, nice. What do you do, Paul?
I'm a teacher. I teach English. What do you do?
I'm a teacher too. I teach English to beginners.
That's great.
See, everyone? That's a real conversation.
It's simple and friendly.
Now you can try this with your friends.
Practice, practice, practice.
Useful tips. Before we finish, we have some tips for you.
Tips means helpful advice.
Tip number 1, speak slowly.
Yes, don't speak fast. Slow is good.
Tip number 2, smile when you speak.
Smiling makes you friendly.
People like friendly people.
Tip number 3, don't worry about mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes. It's okay.
Mistakes help you learn.
Tip number 4, practice every day.
Yes, practice speaking English every day.
Even 5 minutes is good.
Tip number 5, listen to English.
Watch videos, listen to music, listen to podcasts.
This helps you learn.
Okay, these are our tips.
Wow, we learned so much today.
Yes, now you can introduce yourself in English.
Let's review quickly.
To say your name, hi, my name is, or I'm.
To say your country, I'm from.
To say your job, I'm a, or I work as a.
To ask someone, what's your name? Where are you from? What do you do?
Perfect.
Now, everyone, please practice.
Introduce yourself in the comments.
Write, hi, my name is,
We want to meet you.
and please don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
We make new videos every week.
Learning English is fun.
Keep practicing. You're doing great.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.